more for you guys tonight. Thank you very much again to August Spies, to the October people, to Romeo Goes to Hell, and for Bang Bang for playing such wonderful and lovely sets. Alright, this last one is called Petrol Engines. I don't know what it's about, so you better ask Andrea.
I can't tell you, it's a secret, and it's totally lewd.
Petrol engine,
New dimension.
petrol engine,
Two dimensions. Petrol engine. One dimension. Petrol engine. Two dimensions. Petrol engine. Petrol engine. Petrol engine. Three dimensions. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3, go. Petrol engine. One dimension. Petrol engine. Two dimensions. Petrol engine. One dimension. Petrol engine. Two dimensions. Petrol engine time 3. Petrol engine time 3. Petrol engine time 3. Dimensions.
I was riding my car, running around with the radio on,
To the dimensions.
to an AM sound,
Turn it down.
riding around, turning my car with the radio on,
To an AM sound.
and I took the left turn, and I took the right turn, and I took the left turn, and I took the right turn, and I took the left turn, and I took the right turn, and I took the left turn, and I took the right turn. Come on!
Then I went down to my rocket ship, and I went
into the heart of the sun.
Go down, go down, go down,
Go down to the heart of the sun.
go down,
Go down to the heart of the sun. Go down to the heart of the sun. Go down to the heart of the sun. Petrol engine.
What dimension?
Petrol engine. Two dimensions.
Love engine.
4 dimensions.
Love engines. 4 dimensions. 4 dimensions. 4
Again.
Hot damn! That's right. That's right. No, I said hot damn. No. I just want to clarify. Yeah, there's a difference. I know you might not think there is.
I didn't know where Zoom or anything